So ito po ang public statement niya.
Nag-trending.
To follow me, believe in me, and build with me. I'm not here to play victim. I'm here to own it. Yes, I was issued a show cause order for using my phone while driving. No excuses.
Yan, tuloy lang siyempre ni Mio sa Sabado night. Kasi nalastos siya.
I know people watch how I